Hello, this is Ripon Hossain Chapul from wpthemehat once again, and in today's episode, we will discuss about another WordPress theme that is called Grillino, and this also has been made by Vicru Themes. And if you are having a grill or a bar or a restaurant, live business, so you want to make your website, then you are very welcome to watch this video. And if you have owned any kind of theme from this Vicro themes, then you are also welcome to watch this video, because most of the technology that has been used by this author, that is almost the same. So we'll not talk much more. We'll see the live preview first, and we'll see the functionality, how your website will look when you will take this theme, and do as I am doing for this one. So let's see some descriptions about the themes. It is having uh, the flash sales with $29 only, and it has also a online documentation you can read, and it is, as you can see, fully responsive and mobile friendly. And you can see a glimpse of homes that are here. It has already 10 homes, as I can see it in the preview, but it has not updated yet. So, and the description you can read about this, and the homepage preview here, and some awesome header that you will have in your website, and the footer. So, and it is perfect for blogging. If you want to start your blog about your restaurant website, then you are welcome to make your website with this theme. And it is beautiful. It is having some awesome inner pages and other things also. So if we look on the preview of this theme, then if you click on the live preview, then this will come, and it is already having 10 home pages, as you can see here. So this is the first home page, and the slider that you are watching here, that is made with the layer slider, which is too much beautiful with the effect that it is having. You can see the animations here. So it has already been made by these authors, and you will see another sections here called service, then the reservation, that what type of reservation you want to make. Do you want to book a table or whatever it is? You can give the options for the customer to select from here, as you can see. So it will be perfect for your restaurant. And here's some description, and then the countdown area, then some food menu that you are having in your restaurant or in your bar, and the food gallery, and it is having a beautiful pop-ups. Yeah, so, and after that you are having a testimonial sections about your client, and then some blog sections area here, and the footer. And if you want to view some more, you can watch it from here, the 10 home pages. I will not check upon on that, because I will have to finish how to make this website in your website also na. So we are having two about us pages. We are having some menus here. If you check out the menus, then it will good for you na. So I'll check upon on it a little bit. So here's the menu that is having with the price, with the live price, and another the menu with the navigations here, and here's the menu too with the slider, and some other things also with the price also no? And this is the home the menu 3 that is having here, and the menu 4 here. So you can check it out by yourself, and we'll check the functionality of the shop page here. So here is the shop page, and this is the look of the shop page. Now you can upload your product from here also. Now if I click on here to add to cart button, then you can see here the cart icon too. I have already checked it now, so it's working perfectly. And you can click here view cart, or you can click here with the checkout button. So I'll click on view cart first, then I will go to the procedure to go for the checkout. So if I click on the view cart, then you will see this page, and you can do these things here. by just clicking the plus and the minus button from here, and you can also update the cart, and or you can continue further shopping. And if I click on here the proceed to checkout, then the checkout form will come with the things that is needed. So here's the billing information, the checkout, the payment is not set up here, so that's why it is not wanting the payment method here, as you can see. So if you set up your payment method, then the options will arise here now, and you will also can set up the coupon code here for your customer also. So this way, this grill or you can see the restaurant or the bar owner can use this theme for your website. So we'll check how we can make this thing happen to our own website. So here's the thing, we have set up our demo website here, and it is completely blank with 2024 webs for theme. So we'll install the theme that we have, we'll download from here, then we will install it here and check out through. Now I will go here appearance, then themes, then I will click on add new theme. Then the upload theme option will come. Now here I need to upload the theme that I have downloaded already now. So after downloading the theme from after purchasing the theme from here, I will get this final file, Grillino final file. Then after that I need to extract this file because I know what's inside now. So in the Grillino final there will be 4 files as demo data, then the theme file, then child theme, and then the documentation of the offline one. So this Grillino, this is the main one that need to be worked here. So I will we have clicked on this file. Now I need to click on choose file, and I will select the locations and go there and select the theme from here and click on open, and I will click on here the install now button. After successfully installed the theme, we will click on the activate button. The theme has been successfully installed. Now it's time to install all the plugins that is recommended by this WordPress theme. And in the recent update, you will got the Elementor Pro 2. So we'll click on begin installing plugin. Most of the plugins is already been installed in this website. So I'll just need to install these 2 plugins. So I'll click on install and click on the apply button. So it's the same procedure. If you don't have the installation plugin installation things, then do as I am doing here. So I'll click on the return to required plugin installer again, and I will select all the plugins and select the activate button and click on the apply. And you might have some generate errors or something like this, so don't worry about that thing. So if it's generate any kind of error, in my case it hasn't, so you don't need to worry. So I'll click on return to the dashboard here, and I think that yeah, the Elementor prompt setup will come, so I don't need to set it up here. So I'll click on the cross button. And now I will go here and check how is the look of now. So as you can see, the look of this theme here with the the default one, as you can see, without any kind of demo import or any other stuff. So this is the look of this theme. And after that I will go on here with appearance, then click on the import demo data. So by proceeding this step, we are about to make this website same as this demo, the demo that are having right now here. So we will import all of these things with these options called import demo data, and we will click on import demo data here. So if we successfully do this, then all of the content that we have checked on the live website, that will be imported in our own website. So we'll click on continue and import, and it will take some time to import the demo content. Till then you need to wait. After few minutes, our demo import things will be completed and you will get a successful message. After that, we will go here and give a refresh. And if you check now, we will see these menus things here and the slider and the other content as well. It has successfully imported into our website. And in here the blog post image is missing, that's why it's look like this. So we will delete the post that is not having the blog post. So we will go on posts first and we will delete those posts what is not having the featured image there. So this two image maybe is not having the featured image, so I will remove it, and from the trash I will empty the trash also. And now if I give the refresh, then you will see it perfectly. And the footers here, and here is the cart of canvas right there now. And if we check the blog page here and some menu area that we are having already here, so the blog page is looking like this, and the first menu is this, the second menu is this, as we have seen in our demo file. So now we have some things to do for fixing some errors in our website. So we will go here in first settings, then permalinks. Then you need to select the post name here, then click on the save changes. This is called permalink flash, so you need to do that. And from Elementor, then we will go on the settings again, and in here we will check this disable default colors and disable default fonts. We will check these two and click on the save changes button. And after that, in the features tab, we will go here and in the bottom inline font icons, this one will be default. We will click on the inactive and then click on the save changes button. So these things is mandatory to do. It will fix some of the issues that is having on the theme. So not actually on the theme. It's a recommended thing to do, na? So now we will go on the shop pages, and in the shop page we will see the URL like this shop too. Because when we import the demo data, there was already a shop page, and after importing the demo data, the existing demo data has replaced the one. So if I go on the shop URL, then we will see the shop page actually. So this is the shop page here, and the menus, we just need to remove it from the menu. And if we go to the home page 9 here, then you will see the project cannot be found, this error here. We need to fix this error first. After that, we will proceed on our next step. So if we click on the edit with Elementor button here, then if we click on the exact this error on, click on here, then we will see this project library and project editor. So we will click on open project library and we will select the slider that we want to set there. So I will select this one as our slider and click on the publish button. So our slider also has been fixed from here. And in the container, the gaps has been set, so that's why the 20 pixel gap is outside of that. So we'll click the gap, no gap, and the padding is 0. So the gap issue will be fixed from here. And if I click on the preview changes, then we'll see the slider from here, then the other content as well. Now we will check how to change the header and the footer and the breadcrumb area of this theme. So we'll remove it from here, and in here this is home 1, and there is other pages like blog or contact us page or menu page na. So this is called a specific page like home 1, home 2, home 3, or this is blog page and the contact us page and the menu page. So all of this header is same. This header is almost the same. It's the same header, and the footer, that's also the same footer as you can see here. The footer is also same. If we go to the menu, then the footer is also the same one. So how to change this header and footer area, na? So if you hover here, then you will see the footer 3 area. If I go to the contact us page, then you will hover here, you will see the footer 3, and you will see the footer 3 also here in the menu part. So this is called global header and footer. So for changing or for working on global header or footer, we need to go here in Grillino options, then go to header. Then as you can see, the header builder, that is the pre-built one. So pre-built is action box title call for order. So if you see that the call for order text, then the search, then the card, then menu, then logo. So you will see this here, the action box title, title, and then the number, and you can change the color and the other stuff also. If we change the header logo so from here, so you will see it. So if I click on here, like if I want to change, I need to click on the upload button, and in the media library you can select your logo completely. So I will change it to here, this one, this restaurant logo. I'll change it here and click on save changes button, and if I give a refresh, then you will see the logo has been changed successfully. You can see those changes all over your website except this area, except this area. So we will go on to this also after making the changes on the header. So here is the header menu, you can change the color and other stuff. Here is the cart of canvas, and you can set the background of this of canvas things. You can set the background color and the things title color and the product title color also. So you can set it from here for the global header that has been set from these places. So if I change it to header builder, and like suppose I want to header 4 as a global header. So if I click on save changes and give a refresh here, then you will see a completely new header here, a complete new header here that has appeared in this place. But this header is transparent. That's why the breadcrumb area, it has taken over to the as a busy image. So the header area that has been completely changed. Now if I hover on edit with Elementor, then you will see the header number 4 that you can edit. Okay, so if I click on now the header 4 right here, then all of this header, like in block page, in contact us page, in menu page also, if I give a refresh, the menu page, that will, the changes will take place. So if I click on here right now and change the logo from here to like this one, click on select, and here is the mobile logo that you can upload it from here. So I'll change this to this one also, and click on the publish button and give the refresh, then you will see the changes here for the logo. So this is for the global header options. So you can change the global header from here, and if I go to the footer area, like footer, so the footer is already the footer 3 that has been selected, and you can edit that with Elementor. And where I will find this, all of this footer. So if I go here with Grillino builder, you will see two builder, footer builder and header builder. So if I click on the header builder, we are having pre-built 7 awesome header builder here, and if I go to the footer builder, then we are having 5 builder for the footer. So for changing the global header and footer, you need to go here in these places, and you need to select which type of footer or header do you want to send for the global page, like as block, contact or menu. That way you can set your header and footer. So I'll go to the pre-built one from here and click on the save changes button, and it will be reverted back to the previous one. So this way we can change the header and footer, as you can see, for the global one. Now if I go here in the home page, you have seen that this header content has not been changed on that time. So what we need to do is hover on here and click on the header 3 button again, And if I make those changes here, that changes will be applied for the home one. So if I hover on, if I click on here, then you will see the header style that is already set as 1. You can select the first menu, you can select the second side menu. So if I click for the style 1, then the style 1 is this one, and the container size is small, that's why it has broken. So I am just editing the style 2. So if I go here and change the logo from here, and if I set the logo to this one as well, so it will get changed. And if I give a refresh, then it has changed successfully. Now if I go for the responsive version, as you can see here, the Offcanvas menu. So if I check it here, like for you guys, so it has the menu, and the menu is coming from this one. Okay, so the mobile menu also working perfectly, and we will see how we can change the menu also. Okay, so for changing this menu things here, so we'll go on appearance, then go to menus, and we will see different type of menu. You will see home 3 left, home 3 right. As you can see, we have set for this one. This is having 2 areas of the menu, so that's why its name as home 3. So if I want to change the primary menu and click on select, primary menu means this one, the global one that we are using. So the primary menu, then you will see these options here. Now if I want to remove some things, like want to remove contact us, and click on the remove and click on save menu, and if I give a refresh in this page, then the contact us menu will be removed. Now I want to add it again, so I will click on search and I will make it to contact. So here's the contact us, and I have to click on add to menu, then we will be added here, and I will click on save menu again. And for making the changes on the home 3 left, I will select it, and I can edit here a little bit, so I can remove the menu 4 from here and click on save button. And if I go to the home page and give a refresh, then from the menu you will see only 3 options. So this way we can edit the header, menu, and other stuff, as you can see. And in the style tab, we can set the menu color, that is working perfectly, as you can see here now, and the sticky header style and the mobile menu style. So we have a lot of options on that. So this way you can change your header perfectly. Now now the question is how we have set this header as a specific header for this home page. So now I will click on the edit with Elementor button of this specific home page, or you can select it as for contact us page or for this menu as well. So I'll go to that specific home page and I will click on edit with Elementor, and from here there is a settings button that is called page settings. So I'll click on here, and from there you will see these options, header options and footer options. So this header options has been selected as a header 3. So if I want to change this header 3 to header 6, and click on the save button and make sure to publish again, and if I give a refresh to my home page, then you will see the changes, but the background is not the white background has set it as, that's why it's looking like this. So you can customize it in your way, nah? So you can change the background also from from that place. So from here you can select the specific header, and you have remembered that how to change the global footer, na, global footer as well from the Grillino options, then the footer. And for the specific footer, you will go here in the same options. If I check this footer in footer options, then you will see that footer 3 has been selected. I will click on to footer 2 to work in this specific home page, and I will click on the publish button. And if I go to the footer and give a refresh now, you will see the changes here that I have just made. So if you want to edit this footer as well, you need to go here and click on the footer 2, and if you click on the footer 2 area, that is for a specific home page, as I said, the home one. So if I edit with Elementor, then you will see this title. You can edit this all these things with Elementor. And this is the latest post area. So and this is a newsletter style. So as you can see here, the newsletter style 1 and style 2, and it is connected with the MailChimp. So for working with the MailChimp, you need to go here with Grillino options, then the subscribe area. Then you need to put your MailChimp API key and the list ID here and click on the Save Changes button. After that, this form will be connected with the MailChimp ID in the footer area. So after making changes here, like in food menus, you will click on the Publish button and you can see those changes in your website, as you can see here. So this way you can edit your header part, you can edit your footer part also. And here's the beautiful layer slider. We'll talk about this a little bit later, because we will talk about now this breadcrumb area, as you can see in this place. So I'll remove all of this header and footer concept from here now, and we'll go for this one. So for changing the breadcrumb area, we need to go here in the page sections, from the Grillino options, then page, then the background, as you can see. So if I click on the upload again, and let's suppose to change this to this one, and click on the save changes button, and if I give refresh here, you will see the changes here also in the menu. So it will take all over the website that you are having. You can set the border overlay background, you can hide the background, you can set the background color also. You can change the title tag that is having here, this one. So you can change it from here. So we are able to change it from this global place, but how we can change it for a specific one? Like I want a contact us breadcrumb background from here. The menu will be this one, and the contact us I want to change. So for that we need to click on here, that is specific page. We need to click on edit page. And then you will see this page meta. So page breadcrumb area you can show or hide completely. So if I click on the hide, then I will click on the save button again, and I will view the page. And you see the breadcrumb area is not here, but if I go to the menu page and give a refresh, the breadcrumb area is still here, because I have selected the options for this one only. So if I click on the show, and the page breadcrumb setting means the global one, so global one means this one from here. And if I change this to page setting, and if I add the breadcrumb for this part, this single part, and changes to as a bigger, I want a big image for that place. So if I change this to another one, like if I set it this one as example image, you can set a beautiful one as you need. So if I click on save now and give a refresh in this place, then you will see the background that has been changed. Now the this breadcrumb menu area, that is not showing here, because in the breadcrumb area we haven't select that is the breadcrumb area will show. So if I select now and click on save button and give a refresh, then you will see it. And you can set the page title setting to custom title. So you can set a custom title also here, but I will not set right now. So you can set it. So I'll set a default all the things here. Now I'll set it to globals again, or I will set the page settings and click on the save button. So this way you can edit your header, footer, and the breadcrumb area that I have just shown. And now we will go back to the home page now and edit the content that it is having here. And for editing the other content as well, we will check that if there is any custom post type of this theme. So if I go here and check from here that there is no other extra menus from these authors, so there is no other custom post type things that need to be changed your content. So if I go here and click on edit with Elementor button, we will just drag and drop and edit all the things with the Elementor only. And the slider that has been built with the layer slider, which is a premium slider in WordPress. So you can edit with it. The animation you are seeing, that it has been made with the layer slider. So if I click on here, you will see the layer slider ID, that is only one. What you can do is you can remove this slider from here and add a new one. If I click on the plus icon and flexbox and these things, and if I set it to full width and set the gap to none, and if I drag and drop the layer slider here only, layer slider, and if I drag and drop it here, it's a problem that the menu is here. So I'll click on publish again, and I will need a refresh for this now. So I'll take the search the layer slider and just drag and drop it here. And after drag and drop, you will see these options here. And we are having already the 9 slider, as you can see. So you can choose any of them. So if I choose this one, you see the magic. So you can change it from here also, open project editor, or you can just change the slide, open project library, and select this one. You can change to another one, to this one, and this one is this one. So I will select this container as full width, and I will remove the one that we are having here, and also this one removed. Now you can click on open project editor, and you can change your images from here. You can change your food image that that we have set for you. So you have the cheese bar stuff just need to be set. You just click on here and change it from here by your own image. And in the slide list, you are having slide 2. So in the text, you can change it. You can change this image also, and the discount image, as you can see. And in the slide list on the slide 3, you can change this one too. So by making those changes in these places, you will able to change the layer sliders, these cheese things, and the text that you want to change. So if I click on the publish now, then the changes will take place. After that, the service things, you can change it from here. Then the section title, we have a beautiful section title things here with the easy drag and drop options. And here's an important thing that you will bring customer to your place with the reservation that you are having. So we are having some beautiful reservation forms. So if I go here and check that for you guys. So if I go to the pages, and you will see this reservation forms and reservation forms too. So this is the one that is the most beautiful one, and this is also another one that we are having. So for editing this, like you want to add another field, or you want to change some text from here, so we'll do that now. So for, if I click on here, you will see the home one and with some ID with the short code. So if I want to change the date or time or the things that are here, I will go here in the contact page, in the contact. And we have seen that there's a lot of contact form for this website. So you can use any of them. You will see inside each home page there is at least one contact form. So for home one, this one will work, and the ID is 7. Make sure to have check the ID. And the ID is 2228. So I'll go for the 2228. 2228. Where is this one? So I need to test because maybe the ID has been changed. So if I copy it and just paste it here, yeah, so it's the same one, na? So this home one, this is the same one. So you can test it also by just copy the shortcode and paste it in your place. So you can see these things, but I will just insert a new like a full width mail area in here. So if I go here and just copy it and paste it here, and if I need to make it call to sure that it is full width, so I'll make it to call LG12. So FA envelope that is, and for the mail I will take the email form here. So I will take the email form here, and field type obviously it will be required. So I will type it as email address, and the class will be the form control. Then I will set it that this email address will be as a placeholder text. So I will copy it and I will paste it here. And then if I click on save, then if I give a refresh on the home page and see the contact form, then you will see the email address with the icon with a perfect way. So this way you can edit your these things, this contact form, and this other for content is a just click and change your content things, and you can change your style also from here. We have plenty of options for that. You can have the counter up style, you can change the food menu, and for making changes in the food menu, obviously this is a WooCommerce thing, so you need to make some product for your own product, like in the product tab. Then we have already built 26 beautiful product things for you guys. So you just need to go on edit and edit the title and the images and the price, and you can change the SKU and the other stuff that the WooCommerce is working. So, and the things you say is beverage, breakfast, dinner, lunch, and party. This is the category of these things. So the category that is working for here. If you increase the category, then you can select the categories from here also. Like if I suppose I want to remove the party, so if I remove the party from here, then the party will be removed from here. So this way you can customize it from here. And if you want to show the paginations area as well, so you can show the paginations here, but I will not show because this is not the right place to show the paginations. And we are having a beautiful gallery pages. You can you can install a plugin called Smash Balloon that will work for with your Instagram. I'll set that onto my description. You can check that out too. And here's a banner image that you can change, and here the testimonial and the other things as well. So by this way you can change all other stuff. If you are facing any kind of things that you can't edit, you can't do anything, then please let us know. We'll support you as we can. So after that we'll go on the as I have shown you that how the shop page is working now. So in the reservation, now we will go for the contact us page here again. So for the contact us page we are having another form here, and we are having some content also. So I'll check that how this contact form page you can edit from here, and how you can edit this map area also. So I will click on click on leave, and I will click on edit with Elementor for this sketch. And if I want to edit the contact form, then as you can see here the contact has 2 and the ID is 1370. So if I go on the contact page again here in the contact, and contact page 2, the title is contact page 2, so this one will be that one. So I want to edit this one, and as like I want to enter my phone number here. So if I want to enter my phone number, then I just will copy the your name, then I'll copy it and paste it here, and I will remove the shortcode that is inside it is having. So I'll remove from here, and it is already 12, so it will be the full with 1. Now I just want to add a number, so that number will be text, or you can set it as a number, as a spin box or a slider. So I'll prefer to use as a text for the number. So I'll click on the required field, and the default phone will be your number, and I will set it to use as a placeholder, and the class I want to set it as a form control. Now I want to copy it and paste it here, and if I click on save, then if I refresh or go to the contact us page again, then you will see the your number, so that we can the owner or you can contact with these guys. Now if I want to edit this content with the title, these things here, so you can just change it from here now with your own content, like which day you are opening your restaurant, what is the office address of your restaurant na? So you can set it there, and here you can set the locations also, and in the inner sections in the columns you can find the options to set your locations, and you are having to set the height, the zoom level, and the locations that you want to set. Obviously you need to set the location API key for that. So I'm not having one, so I am not able to show you guys that how to set that. So make sure to using the API keys in here and click on save changes, then you will get the options for your specific locations. So by this making the changes, you need to just click on the publish button, then you will see the changes in your contact us page also. So that's the way that you can edit and make sure that the website is working perfectly. If you are facing any kind of issue through this template, please feel free to contact me, or feel free to contact the author's mail, or in the support system that authors is having. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video. See you later.